Hello, good afternoon, everyone. You are welcome once again. Today, we are going to talk about content types. We are in week two, activity one, adding content types. I'm going to briefly explain what is content type and also give you an example, and then we are going to add our own content type. Content type is uh, just to improve the creation and management of content on our website. We have a lot of content that we may want to add on our website. For example, you may want to be adding news article regularly. You may want to be adding policies regularly. You may want to be adding guidelines. As we are producing them, we'll be adding them. Also, staff directory, we want to be adding our staff regularly, or events, as we are having events, we'll be having them. In order to bring order to chaos, we need to ensure standard and uniformity, and this is where content type comes in. Content type is just, in technical terms, for you to be to, for a reusable collection of metadata. That means that you you must have specified your metadata, and then you can reuse them for particular objects. For instance, now let's say a staff. Now you have a staff, you must have specified the surname, the first name, the last name, current position, current address, and all those things about a particular staff as an object. And then all other staff can reuse that metadata that you are specifying. For instance, now let me go to a website that has that that has implemented this. Let me go to Tom Research Group website, comrg.lautech.edu.ng. They have implemented this on their website, so it will be easy for you to implement. So this is their research team. Then you see, these are the team. So you can manage it. So they have 7 members in their team. Then if you click on one of the member, you'll be able to see all the metadata that it has filled. So you can see this is her name, Dr. Toyin Adebayo. You can see brief description. You can see her contact info. You can see her education. You can see social media links. So this metadata is collected for everybody. So this way you can put uniformity, you can put standard on your data. For example, you can even use it for events. You can use it to be posting your news articles. You already know that you have standard. So this is just what content type is, and we are going to be using it a lot. So I need you to pay attention to how we are creating, how we are going to create a content type. We are going to use staff directory, because we know that all of us, we need to add staff directory on our website. So we are going to create a content type for it, and we are going to use it to upload our staffs, and be using it to be uploading, to be adding staffs on regular basis. So once you create the content type and you are adding your staff, it will be easier for you to add your staff once you have implemented it. So let's go ahead and let's go to my website. My website, LAUTECH uh, website and maintenance and management, lwmm.lautech. This is my website, and you can see that I'm already logged in. Now I need to go and create my content type. Where will I find content type? Structure. So I click on structure. Okay. So I can see content types. I click on content types. Okay, I already have two content types there. That's the one we have been using. We have been using basic page content type, and we have been using, okay, we may not have used article, but we also use article as time goes on. So we are going to add our own content type here and uh, manage their fields. Now, I'm going to upload this for you. This is for the staff content type. So these are going to be our label, and these are going to be machine names, and the field types we are going to choose, and the allowed numbers of values. So just watch me as I add them, which you are going to add onto your site too. If you are if you want to add staffs to your website. Okay, so let me minimize this. Okay, now I'm going to add content type, and you must watch me closely. My content type must be, okay, my machine name, the machine name for my content type uh, must be staff. That way you are going to be able to add it. So let me add it here. Okay, let me add it here. Content type. Okay, content type name. Staff directory. Staff directory. While my machine name is so important. Machine name, and you must not misspell it. Staff. Okay. So I'm going to first of all add staff before I come and change it so that I can pick my machine name. Okay. Or let me add it this way. Let me add staff directory and come and edit my machine name to be staff. Okay, it's already on staff. Okay, so I say list of all staff our department. Okay, so I'm not going to touch anything else. I'm just going to say save and manage field. Okay, so I've saved it, staff directory, and I made sure my machine name is staff. That way I'm going to be able to pick it during my design. Now I'm going to start to add this one by one. So I want each staff to have picture. So I'm going to, you say we already have body here. So we already add one automatically. So I'm going to add the rest. So my picture, the label is going to be picture, feed image as the machine name, and my field type is image. So let me add that. Add field. Okay. So I'm going to choose my field type here. It says image. So I'm going to look for image. Okay. This is image. Okay. Copy. I'm going to, my label is picture. Fine. Okay. So field picture. I'm going to make sure that this is field image. That is my machine name. So I'm going to edit it. Field image. Okay. That is how I want it to be. Okay. So I'm going to save. Wow, it's already in use. Okay. Okay, let's take image 1. Let's add 1 there. Okay, and continue. Okay. So I'm going to leave all this. I only need 1 picture for each of the staff. So 1 picture here. Allow numbers of value 1. Let me double check. Allow numbers of value 1. Okay. So I'm going to click save. Okay. Is it a required field? I may not want it to be a required field. Default image, I may want to add default image here, but I do not have anyone for now. So these are the allowed file extension and the file directory. So I don't need to touch all this. I will just go ahead and save settings. Okay. So I have added this. Okay. Let me add another one. Personnel ID. Okay. So I'll copy it. Add field. Okay. Personal ID field type is going to be text plain. Okay. I'll look for text plain. Yeah. Text plain. Okay. I'm going to add this. Paste. Okay, let me add. Okay, let me add the prefix of my WLML. Okay. Okay, so let me check. Personal ID is 1. Allow number of value. Allow number of value is 1. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Okay, is it a required field? I may want it to be a required field. Okay, I click on that. Save settings. Okay, I added this. Okay, let me add title. Title is list text. Okay, and it's 1. Okay, so add field. List text title. Okay, field title. Okay, let's see if it's going to take this field title. Okay, yeah, it took it. Okay, so allow numbers of, okay, so that means that because I'm choosing list now, I can add some of the common title that we use. Prof, Doctor, Mr, Mrs, Miss. Okay, so these are the common titles that we use for our staff. So you can add as you wish and click on Save Settings. Okay. Do I need it to be required field? Yes, I need it to be required. I need the, do I need to set the default? I can set the default to doctor. So anybody that wants to add it can. Okay. So let me add another one. Surname. Let me add surname. Okay. Surname. Add field. Surname is text plain and it's only one value. Text plain. Text plain. Surname. Okay. Save and continue. Okay. So one maximum length. Okay, 255. That's fine. Okay. A required field, yes. I don't need any default value for this. Save settings. Okay, so I've added like 4. Let me continue to add. Let me add one more and then I will send you this file so that you add your own. First name, text plain. Or let me add, okay, let me add mobile. I'll come and add this. You can add it as you like. Just make sure that you add everything. We'll come and rearrange it after we have added everything. Mobile is telephone. Wow, no telephone here. Let me see. Telephone number, but no telephone here. So let's just take text plain. Okay. Mobile. Okay. Save and continue. Because you may want to choose, you may want to take more than one mobile number. So we can add, we can make it only unlimited. Okay. So I'm going to make it unlimited so that we can take as many number as possible. Okay. Do Do I need to make it required? No. Okay. So automatically I can take two. I can add one here, making so that I can take minimum of three or at least three. Okay. And click on save settings. Okay. So I'm going to send you these files. I'm going to send you this file, and also for your guidance, these are Excel sheets, so that you can add everything. And in the the subsequent lessons, we are going to connect. We are going to connect them and make sure that we have a very good uh, content type. Let me change this content type. Let me change it to personal ID. It's not changing. Okay. I can't change it, but I can delete it anyway. Start direction. Manage fleets. I can delete it here. Hmm. Delete. Okay. And I'm going to recreate it. Personal ID. The other in which you create it does not matter, because we are still going to rearrange it. Text plain. Okay. Personal ID. Okay. I'm going to edit it to personal ID. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to save and continue. I think it should. Okay. So it took it. Okay. So you can always use this machine. Please use this machine name. It's so important, because when we are connecting it together, this is the feed that we are going to be using to connect it. So it's a required file, it's a required field. Save settings. So for this activity, I expect you to add all this label, everything, to add it, and in subsequent lessons we are going to rearrange it and connect it and add our staffs. So thank you for watching me. Till next time. Bye.